So I hope this video helps you out with today's delta math lesson. We are looking at a table of values, and we're going to be writing an equation in slope-intercept form. This table is representing a linear function. Remember, we can determine that the function is linear if there's a constant change. And we're going to talk about that as we look at this table of values. Let's remember an equation written in slope-intercept form. Y equals mx plus b. Our b is our y-intercept. It's where our line crosses the y-axis. And our m is going to be our slope. So let's take a look. Now, I'm going to actually plot these points to begin. I'm just going to sketch a little graph down here. We have a little x and y. Here's my y, my vertical axis. My x is my horizontal axis. And so 0, 4. So if we look at that, 0, 4 would be plotted right there on the y-axis. Okay? So that's going to represent our b, our y-intercept. And then we want to see what our slope might be. Now, x increases by 1 and y increases by 5. And if I plot the point 1, 9, I've got to go up 5 steps, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on the y-axis, and I go over 1 on the x-axis, and that's how I plot that second point. And so if we look back at the table, we can see that x is increasing by 1 each time, and y is increasing by 5 each time. So let's remember some important things. When we represent slope, we always represent it as rise over run, or the change in y. How is y changing compared to how x is changing? So our slope that will represent this linear function is going to be 5 over 1. Our y-intercept, which we saw plotted here on the y-axis, will represent our b. And so our equation in slope-intercept form will be y equals 5x plus 4. Hope this video helps as you take on this delta assignment.